Imagine getting access to 200 plus apps fully updated as of May 2026, all from different categories including sports, live TV, IPTV, and VPN on your on-TV devices with a single downloader code. Well, that is what I'm about to show you today. In this video, I'll show you one of the easiest methods to jailbreak your on-TV devices and get all the best apps you ever wanted. Keep in mind that this method will work on all on-TV devices, including the On 4K Pro, On 4K Plus, On 4K Stick, and even any other Google TV or Android TV devices. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Alright, so the first step to this whole process is to head over to the menu on the top using your remote and then select the settings icon all the way to the right. Okay, so now this is where you can change all your device's settings. You'll need to scroll down to where it says System, and then select About from the list. Now from here, scroll all the way down to Android TV OS build. Okay, so this is the most important part, and I want you to pay full attention here. What you need to do is click on this option 7 times continuously, and I'm going to do that right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And once you do that, this is the message that will be displayed on your screen. It says here, you are already a developer. Once this message appears on your screen, it means developer mode has been enabled successfully. Next, just press the home button once. And now we need to install an app called Downloader on our device. That is where we will install all our favorite apps from. So again, go to the menu on top, and this time, select Apps. As you can see, it is already suggesting me the Downloader app from the list, but for any reason, if it doesn't show up on your device, you can even search for it from this search bar by typing Downloader. Alternatively, you can just use your voice commands with your remote to find it instantly. As you can see, there are a lot of Downloader apps on this list, but we will need to select this orange color one, which is the first one on the list. Click Install, and in a few minutes, our Downloader app will be installed. As the app is downloading, hit the subscribe button real quick. It'll barely take a second, guys. Okay, our app is now installed. Let's go ahead and open it. So the first time you launch the Downloader app, it will ask you to accept the necessary permissions that it needs to work properly. Click on this hashtag icon and type this code, 8533602. This code will redirect you to my website on TV Hacks Downloader page where I've organized all the essential Android apps into categories like live TV, sports, IPTV players, kids shows, and VPNs. So if you want to install an app placed in the IPTV category, then you can click on this tab and just scroll down to the required app. Everything is updated regularly so you can always access the latest working versions. For this tutorial, I'll be installing one of the official apps just to show you how the downloading process works step by step. Just select any app that you want to install and then wait for it to download automatically. Most of the apps listed in our downloads page begin downloading automatically, but if not, you'll be asked to press on the download icon for the installation to start. Now you can click Install and complete the process. Before installing any of these apps, make sure you use a VPN that helps you protect your streaming activity and helps you unblock geo-restricted services. Surfshark is currently one of the cheapest and most reliable options out there. You can use the link in the description below to grab an exclusive discount of up to 87% off on its 2-year plan, plus an additional 3 months free along with it. After installation, you'll be prompted to delete the APK files that have been stored on the device. If you press the home button on your remote, you'll find your recently installed application in the Apps menu. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before you go, make sure to visit my website ontvhacks.com for more in-depth guide, expert reviews, and the latest updates on streaming and on-TV devices. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll be back with another informative video very soon.